In front of me is Redmi 13, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency over here. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now select File Manager or Contacts and tap on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you wish to remove one of them, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and hit Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!